Hey, YouTube friends and family, how are you today? Again, it's filming day, so you're going to see this shirt. And I woke up back hurting. I might have overdid it this weekend in the garden. So I was like, I got to get something accomplished. Back is on 10. I have this Aleve back and body stuff that's kind of helping me get to this point. But I was like, ooh, those flare-ups are no joke. So I did film when I went to Marshall's. I have Marshall's, Burlington, and HomeGoods. Yeah, a little quick haul because it wasn't a lot from them kind of stores. They can get expensive. So if you watch my Dollar Tree haul, you'll see that I'm trying to prep for Mother's Day, getting some little trinkets together for my bingo buddies. And I go to bingo because bingo keeps your mind rolling. I'm also about to go back and learn some more. So I'm trying to keep this old mind running. Alzheimer's and dementia run in my family, the women and the men. On my maternal side, get it. They've been getting it way late, but they get it. And it's 90-year-olds in bingo still bingoing. Their minds are still working. So I'm trying to, do whatever I can to keep my mind stimulated and actually going back to school. Because a little known fact about me, I was valedictorian. Not a dummy at all. I'm just lazy. I probably could have been president of the White House had I had the right support. But I'm just lazy. Valedictorian was easy at this school, but I'd have failed at that school. So it's just a little known fact. You learn more about me the more and more you watch my videos. Yes, not dumb at all. But I bought some more of this. Love this. Good for when you're feeling under the weather. Good for in general to keep you from getting under the weather. Good for adding to your tea. This is $3.49 at Burlington, and they were down to one box. So I grabbed the one box because I was out. I don't know if I'm hiding this stuff for myself or what, but it seemed like I just bought a box or two, but it's only 10 in the box, so I could see how that's going in 2 weeks, but I thought I had more. So I was glad to find that. Then I went to HomeGoods. That was quick. Burlington was a quick in and out thing, wasn't it? So they had these. So this is part of my whole setup. And this is 3 whole boxes. Pretty design of English tea shop original organic, and they have the vanilla Earl Grey mint green tea and the white tea with tropical fruits on that selection. And then they have the super goodness, which is green sencha white tea and matcha, mighty matcha, and cranberry hibiscus and rosehip. So these are such pretty boxes to go in a little gift. Check out my Dollar Tree haul. You'll see what the other gifts are. And if you subscribe and ring that bell, you'll see the shorts when I try to put this together to find out if it all works out, because it's a lot of stuff to put in the vessel I'm trying to put it in. But we're going to see. But we want to give a shout out and a thank you to LBE, who gave me the idea. I don't know if it's going to work out for me, though, because I just end up going overboard. I'm a giver. I like giving. So I got this because we got to keep the stock coffee station stocked. I'm on my last big bottle. And this is Barista Stirrups, sugar-free, caramel flavor. And it was $4.99. Did I tell you those 3-pack of teas were $4.50? Better brand than you're going to get from the Dollar Tree, and not much more than the Dollar Tree. Because that comes to what, $1.40 a box maybe? Versus, this is a pretty box. And it is 20 bags in each box. Very nice. And that was Oh, okay. So I bought 2 pots in this transaction. And you'll see those 2 pots in my garden haul. But I had a $25 gift card from HomeGoods. For my Nielsen, I won the prize and won $50 worth of gift cards. So I got 25 at Big Lots. Check out that Big Lots haul. And I got 25 for HomeGoods because you could choose which cards you wanted. And I did buy $40 worth of pots. $40 worth of pots. But my vision is going to be pretty. I've been buying a lot of pots this season, but I'm buying more permanent ceramic, resin, stuff that's going to last more than a year, that's going to look pretty in a permanent landscape. I want the kind of landscape, and I'm working on that. I'm trying to build that let's drop 4 bags of mulch to make the color look good. And we ready. Because everything's going to make their debut come spring. Something I really love is to see the amaryllis bundles in people's yard. I don't know if they're invasive. So if they are, let me know. Tell me in the comments below. But I'm buying a lot of bulbs and putting them in places and remembering where I put them so that they can come up and make the show on their own. Gladiolas from the Dollar Tree come back every year. In Florida, they gonna come in the wintertime because they just as confused as we are, if not more. So, stuff that's gonna automatically show for you. You don't have to keep running to Home Depot every year or Lowe's every year, buying some proven winners for $6. We looking for permanent stuff. And we gonna keep it around, and it's gonna grow for us and show for us every year. I'm putting bulbs in pots so that all I gotta do is maybe add some compost to the pot, and boom, here comes the show every spring. We don't want to have to re-landscape every year. So we gonna pray that grass that I just paid $600 for maybe too. And I'm tired of doing that. I'm tired. So here's I also showed you, here's the next one. I also showed you Marshalls. Red tags everywhere in that store. All over the place. Red tags. I went for one thing. Here's another part of the basket. I called and they were red tagged. They just happened to be red tagged. So I say, let me stock up because I use them too. And honey spoons. Perfect for those baskets. They are on sale, $4. Mother's Day is coming. $4. That was clover honey for $4. This is my first time seeing this one. Lavender honey for $4. And this has how many spoons in here? One piece. It's 5 spoons. They had these, same brand, same company. Just think it's more spoons in here. 4, 2. It's 8 spoons in here. And they were $6 for the 8 spoons. And here's another clover, and it was $4. So, yes, red tags everywhere. Then I saw, red tag, $4.50. This is Pro Growth Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. They had 2 big, tall racks. All the hair products and beauty products had red tags. I'm wondering if they closing or something. That was just weird to me. That was a little extreme. The red tags that I saw in that store. It was a little extreme. So I got this. This is personal. I'm not giving these away. This is for my snack bag. But these are the antioxidant mix, Power Up 8 packs, but they would go good in a Mother's Day gift too. And they were $6 red tag. Then I found some, this for me. even though I don't need it. Cafe Latte Almonds. This was not red tag. And I don't know how much they were. Probably $4.99. And then some ashwagandha powder. This was $4. That was, and then I got a little bit more from Marshall's. Another Marshall's bag. All this red tag now. Car air freshening cleaning wipes for the car. $3. And now remember, I bought one of these from Amazon, ended up returning it. I actually had this to test it out. I was able to test this out in the store and confirm that the lid does close and stay closed. It's not quite as big, I don't think, but it's big enough. And it was $10, cheaper than the one on Amazon, and the lid actually plunges down. So I did get that little haul from those little stores, and the teaspoons were for me and for the little gifts I'm going to do. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see those put together. They come out most likely in a short. I don't like to sit there and think that kind of stuff through while on camera. And y'all know I don't edit. This is all me. It's really me. I'm a real person. I ain't out here trying to put on 10 tons of makeup because I don't do it in real life. I'm a regular old person. And when you see me and I see you, I want you to know, yeah, she a real woman. She ain't buy none of this. She ain't put on 10 tons of makeup. She just herself. And if you don't like herself, then you can keep stepping. But I'm just myself. And I'm good with that. And I want you to be good with being yourself too. Whoever you are. However you are. And I want to thank you for watching. Please remember to prep and pray. Prep and pray. And plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Have a wonderful day.